In this video, we'd like to do some construction. This is part of the GCSE, IGCSE and many exams. The questions will look something like this. Use a ruler and a compass to construct triangle ABC where AB is 10 centimeters, BC is 6 and AC is 8. Another question is something like construct an equilateral triangle with side length of 6 centimeter. And then this is also a type of the questions. They give you some line, they give you some point, and then they ask you to construct a perpendicular line to this line. That's what we will do in this video. Now, to start doing the first question, let me just zoom out so the alright, now I think it's better, and let me just move it up. Now we know AB is 10, BC is 6, and AC is 8. First, grab your ruler, put the ruler somewhere, give yourself some space. It's always better to start down than the bottom of the space. Now this is the ruler. I'll measure 10 centimeters in this ruler. It's alright to put it like that. It's not straight. It doesn't make any mistake. So this is 10 centimeters here. Yep, that's exactly 10. So now I don't need the ruler. I'll just move it away a little bit. Then you need to grab your compass. Now we measure the first length, which is 10. Then we measure the second one, 6. So use the compass to measure 6 on to measure 6 on this ruler. So let's move the compass, put 1 point on the 0, that's exactly on the 0, and this point is on the 6. Now it's just a coincidence it's on the 6. If it's not, then you just need to move it, like just make it smaller, bigger until you get it on the 6. Alright, you got it, then move the ruler away. Now on one side, put this, and then make some arc like that. That's very good. So we finish this part. Now bring the ruler again and measure the other side, the last side, which is 8. So I put it here, and then let's measure 8. Now this is 8. Remove the ruler. Now from the other point, not the same point, from the other point, put your compass and make arc again. So this is the compass on the other point, and then let me just zoom out. Now I think it's better, isn't it? Yeah. Then make your arc. Oh, sorry, that's the noise. It's following me. Right, let's put it back again. Then grab the pencil and move it and make some arc like that. Alright, so that's good. We finished. Now let me just zoom in back again. Then grab your ruler and you put it on one point connected to where these lines intersect. So let's just put the ruler here, and then let's just put like that. This is good. Now this is perfect, I think. Now grab your pencil and make some line here. Oh, it's gone. So let's just put it back. That's it. Now that's one side. Now on the other side, just do the same. Move the ruler to the other side. Right, it's something like this. Oh, this side is not perfect. Right, I think now it's good. Then connect the line to the other point. Now this is triangle ABC. We got it. Let me just move it back. Let me even take it away. Now, what are the names of these points? The first thing, we know 10, right? Yes. So let's make the longer side, let's call it AB, which is 10. So A, B. And then the side which is 6 is BC, so this is C here. Now that's work. This is 10, BC is 6, and this is AC, which is 8, and it's all correct. Now let's look at the next question here. I'll first erase this. That's good. Now the second question says construct an equilateral triangle with side length of 6 centimeters. Now what we will do first is we will just measure a line that is 6 centimeters. Now I put it here. I'll use the ruler to measure 6 centimeters. So this is 6 and I go to 0. That's good. Then you will grab your compass again, put it at some point and measure 6, which is already there, and then make some arc. Move the compass to the other point and make some arc again. So now we did 6 and then we brought the compass and we measured 6 centimeters. Now from this point where they intersect, connected to the sides, let me just zoom out. From this point to this side here, to this point, that's one side of the triangle. Let's just make a line. Now move it to the other side. It's easier on paper, it's not easy here. Now this is the third side, and now this is an equilateral triangle. All these sides are equal and they are all 6 centimeters. So this is what you do if the question asks you to construct an equilateral triangle. Now the third part, let me just move it down. It's fun how you can move the points, how you can move the line. Now the third part is they give you such line and they give you a point and they tell you from this point construct a perpendicular line using a ruler and a compass. First thing you do is you grab your compass, put the compass on the point that they give you, and now just randomly make a line, make an arc. So, and that's a nice arc. Just do any arc like this, okay? You can do the arc within the line, which is better. For example, some people will just ask you to do the arc here inside the line. That's even better. But if you do it like the one I did first, it's correct. It's the same idea, it's the same thing. Now, once you get that, then move. All right, let me just do it again. So that's the arc. Once you get this, then bring your compass on one of the points of this new arc you did. All right. Then try to make the size is more than half of this line here, more than half of the line. So this is more than half of this line. Then make an arc. Now put it on the other side. Don't change the size now. And then make some arc. We don't need the compass anymore, so let's move it. Now you just connect these 2 points. This point here and this point down there. And that's your answer. That's your line. So let's connect them. All right. That's usually repeats in the GCSE and the IGCSE. Do you get it though? Do you understand it? This is what you should get. All right. That's all for this video. I'll leave some sheet for you to practice. Just follow on the comment section. That's all. Bye.